You've probably heard of Chime, right? That app that's all about no fees, early paychecks, and making money management a breeze. But have you ever wondered, hey, Chime is cool and all, but who's actually the bank behind the magic? Quick cuts of people using their phones, looking confused, then smiling. Yeah, I thought so. Let's dive into this. Because believe it or not, Chime isn't actually a bank. Mind blown? I know, right? So, what gives? Chime is what we call a fintech company. Think of it as a tech startup that's revolutionizing the way we handle our money. These fintechs are all about creating slick apps and online platforms that make banking easier, faster, and more fun. But here's the kicker, they don't have their own banking license. So, if Chime isn't a bank, who is? Well, that's where it gets a little more complicated. Chime partners with actual banks to offer its services. These banks handle the nitty-gritty stuff like FDIC insurance, which protects your money, and making sure everything complies with banking regulations. Now, you might be wondering, okay, smart guy, but which bank is it? Good question. Unfortunately, there isn't just one answer. Chime works with multiple banks to provide its services. This means that depending on where you live and when you opened your account, your Chime money might be with one bank or another. The main two banks that Chime partners with are the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. These are the workhorses behind the scenes, making sure your money is safe and sound. But remember, just because your money is with one of these banks doesn't mean you have an account with them directly. You're still a Chime member. So, why does Chime do it this way? Well, partnering with banks allows Chime to focus on what it does best, creating a fantastic user experience. They can spend their time building cool features, improving the app, and offering those sweet perks we all love. Meanwhile, the banks handle the boring but essential stuff. It's like a dream team. Chime brings the innovation, the banks bring the financial stability. Together, they create a product that millions of people love. But wait, there's more. Because Chime works with multiple banks, there might be slight differences in the services offered depending on which bank your account is with. This can get a bit confusing, but don't worry, it usually doesn't affect your everyday banking experience. So, next time you're enjoying the perks of your Chime account, remember that behind the scenes, there's a bank making it all possible. And while it might not be as glamorous as the Chime app, it's an essential part of the puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.